Today we are in the Family Engagement Center. We're getting ready to kick off the year. It's a drop-in for parents to come learn about the Family Engagement Center and how we can partner and support them this year. We offer different types of resources. We offer learning tools.
We have different kind of workbooks that we give it to our students so that you can work at home. These are free. You can come and take it. And these are the games you can borrow for 2 weeks.
And then we can also show parents here how they can support the students with those strategies at home.
Because we know that we want to continue to build a partnership in making sure that our students are successful. If they're looking for volunteer opportunities, this is a place that they can come. We also offer a lot of parent workshops on how they can help their students at home. Parents do not have to make appointments.
We hope that they view the Engagement Center as a welcoming space for them to come anytime they need resources to help support their student.
If you have any questions, I'm available every day. Please come and check it out.